Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix monitor randomly goes black screen in Windows 10 and 11. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check the connections. So please plug out and plug in all the connection in the monitor for quick fix. So our second step is to run SFC scan. So for that you need to enter into the CMD command prompt and run the prompt as an administrator and then type sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. It will take large time, so please have some patience to wait on it. Once it done, our third step is to change screensaver and power setting. So please search for screensaver and enter into it and make it as in none and then apply and then enter into change power setting. Yeah, here please change the settings. This is, I recommend you to keep these settings on your system and then hit change advanced power settings option. Over there please click PCI and then click link state power management and make the maximum power to off for both on battery and plug-in and then click apply and then click OK. Once it done, please close all the things. Also click OK for screensaver setting. So fourth step is to update drivers. For that you need to enter into device manager, click open. In the device manager you need to update both the monitor and the adapter. For that you need to hit monitor and then right click, sorry, you need to click a right click and then hit update driver and click search automatically. Most probably all the drivers are in up to date. If not, please update it. Yeah, and again you need to enter into the display adapter and then right click the graphics and then update driver. Yeah, once it done, please close it. Then you need to restart your PC. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.